As an electronics industry player, you're facing constant challenges. Shrinking operating margins, a complex global supply chain, shortened product life cycles, uncertain demand, environmental impact, and strict quality control, to name a few. Today, more than ever, you need an ERP solution from a company whose business is built around a profound understanding of the challenges you face on a daily basis. A company with over 40 years hands-on experience in the electronics industry. One that can guarantee you peace of mind throughout the entire value chain. You need an ERP solution from Syspro. From analyzing market trends to forecasting demand, taking orders to preparing bill of materials, Syspro's quoting and estimating capabilities are second to none. Improve control through efficient management of design revisions, factory scheduling, subcontracting management, quality testing, and compliance. Continuous improvement programs enable zero-defect initiatives and compliance, and minimize product recalls. Minimize forecast errors by fine-tuning the balance between supply and demand. Reduce inventory in terms of constraints, obsolescent stocks, and lead time to customers. Streamlined automated processes and actions for authorizing and tracking customer returns, warranty claims, and complaints. Isn't it time you discovered how a Syspro ERP solution can help you overcome the challenges of the electronics manufacturing industry and ensure your growth and profitability well into the future? Syspro ERP, lighting the way for the electronics industry.